Good day everyone, I'm Teacher Justin and welcome back to another episode of Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about how to multiply polynomials. Now let's proceed to the whiteboard in order for us to start our video tutorial. Alright, okay, so let's talk about multiplying polynomials. So in multiplying polynomials, we apply the distributive property, or we can also apply the FOIL method if we're multiplying binomial by binomial. So let's have our first example in multiplying polynomials, and let me show you how to multiply polynomials. So for example, we're going to multiply 3x plus 7 and 2x plus 3. So since we're multiplying binomial by a binomial, we will apply what we call the FOIL method. So in applying FOIL method, we will start first with the first term. Okay, our first term multiplied to our first term. Okay, so 3x times 2x. So when we multiply monomials by monomial, we multiply the coefficient by the coefficient, the variable by the variable. And when we multiply variables, we will apply the laws of exponent called the product rule, wherein we will copy the variable and then add the exponent. So let's apply it here. 3 times 2, that will be 6. And then x times x, so copy the variable and then add the exponent. So 1 plus 1, 2. So it will be 6x squared. Okay, next is we multiply the outer parts. So 3x multiplied to 3. So 3x times 3. So 3 times 3, that will be positive 9. And then x, since we multiply to 3, we will just copy the variable x. Okay, so that will be our first two terms of our polynomial, 6x squared plus 9x. Then let's proceed to our second term, okay, positive 7. So let's apply the distributive property, or let's continue with our FOIL method. We multiply 7, the inner, by the inner. So 7 times 2x. So 7 times 2x, that will be 14x. So 14x, let's place it below 9x because they have similar terms. They have the same variable and the same exponent of that variable. So let's place it below. Okay, and then continue with our last one, multiplying 7 by 3. So 7 times 3, that will be 21. So plus 21. Okay, now that we have the product, let's combine like terms. So that is our next step, combining like terms. And since we have the word combine, we will add all the common terms. So here we have 6x squared. It doesn't have any partner, so just bring it down. 9x plus 14x. So let's combine them. That will be 23x. And last one, 21, doesn't have any partner, so just bring down 21. And that's it. Our final answer, the product of these two polynomial will be 6x squared plus 23x plus 21. Ta-da! Alright, and that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, suggestions for my next video, please leave them in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. And that's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.